Hello guys and welcome to this video. We're gonna go over the different steps that we follow in order to set up your Zurmo Action Automation for workflows. This is one of our workflow apps that you're about to install within your agency, connect to your Zurmo platform and be able to execute actions directly from your workflow for your Zurmo platform. So let's get the ball rolling. At your agency view, you go at the app marketplace. So let's search for the app, Zurmo. There you go. You go at install. We select the sub account where we want the tool to be installed. Sub account one. Continue. Allow and install. We choose the plan. We confirm. We complete the installation. You open this window in order to copy the custom menu link. Here it is. We copy. We make sure it is copied. So we switch back to the agency view in order to create the custom menu link. So how do we create it? We come down here at settings and then custom menu links. Come here, we try to create here. You can select an icon for your custom menu link. When you're done, you type a name for your custom menu link. How do you want to name your custom menu link? And here you paste the custom menu link URL. Then you copy it, you scroll down, you select the account where you want all your tools to be available. You can go for sub account one, for example. Here you select whether you want all the users or a particular user who you can give access to all the information. When you're done, you make sure you save and you switch to the sub account to search for the custom menu link we created. So we have sub account one. We scroll down and here we have Greg apps. Actually, this is how we decided to name our custom menu link. If you guys name your custom menu link, let's say my tools, for example, make sure you have my tools here. Remember this time, we want to connect the tool to our Zurmo platform. Here we have apps and connected apps. At apps available, you will search for all the new apps that you just installed, okay? Connected apps, of course, is for the apps that are already connected. So if you search for Zurmo here, it doesn't pop up, it means that it's already connected. So we go and connect apps. We got Zurmo. But let's pretend that Zurmo is not connected yet. So I'm going to show you how to set it up. We come here at the setup. We have some credentials required, which is to provide the username, the password, and the domain. Before we go any further though, if you notice here, you have how to get your credentials. Actually, if you click on it, you will guide you on a smart cube that is explaining to you how to get all those credentials. But let me show you how to do it. So when you register to export, you also receive all your credentials inside your Gmail address. As you can see, we have all the information here. We copy the admin, the username, just admin, we paste, we come back, copy the password, we paste, we go and look for the domain, it is, copy, we paste, and we submit. Perfect. Now we just connected our tool to our Zurmo account and now we're able to execute actions directly from our workflow to our Zurmo account. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you like this video, don't forget to give some thumbs ups. Thank you for watching.